Today we're going to be talking about careless and reckless drive. Start with careless driving. 63-3-12-13. Careless driving. Any person who drives any vehicle in a careless or imprudent manner without due regard for the width, grade, curves, corner, traffic, and use of the streets and highways and all other attendant circumstances is guilty of careless driving. Careless driving shall be considered a lesser offense than reckless driving. That's why I put both of these together. 63-3-12-01. Reckless driving. Any person who drives any vehicle in such a manner as to indicate either a willful or a wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property is guilty of reckless driving. Reckless driving shall be considered a greater offense than careless driving. The difference is reckless, you got to endanger more than one person, not including the officer. That means if you're in the vehicle or have a passenger and you ride in the opposite lane, then are going off the road or anything that would be considered dangerous, and you're doing it willfully and wrongful, which means you're doing it, you're causing it, and you're putting other people's lives in danger. That's reckless driving. Careless driving is if you're by yourself and you're on a back road and you drive in the center or drive on the left side or swerve or whatever. That's careless driving. Careless driving will make your insurance go up just like a regular traffic offense. Reckless driving will make it go sky high. It's going to be just like SR22 insurance, which a lot of insurance companies make you get SR22 if you've been charged with reckless driving. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, comment below what you want next. Come back every Monday at 3 p.m. for new videos. Have a great day.